Nasa running era na ba ang lahat? Kung oo, para saan ka ba tumatakbo? Trip lang? Para maging fit and active? Or maybe, cause it's fun? Pero what if tumakbo ka para sa isang mahalagang layunin? Kung Gcash sa Run for a Cause, be ready! Dahil aarangkada na this May 31 sa Clark Parade Grounds ang Ready SWAT Go Fun Run 2026. Organized by SWAT Fitness Angeles City, layo nitong isulong ang physical fitness, healthy lifestyle, at community participation, all in one exciting event. Pero higit sa pawis at saya, ang aktibidad na ito ay may mahalagang misyon dahil bahagi ng kikitain ay ilalaan sa mga tricycle drivers ng Barangay Pampang na apektado ng taas presyo ng langis. Ayon sa Club General Manager ng SWAT Fitness Angeles na si Jay Santos, naging tradisyon na nila ang pagsasagawa ng community-based activities tuwing anniversary celebration ng kanilang gym. Last year, nag-organize daw sila ng outreach program para sa mga ITAD community sa Porac. At ngayong second anniversary nila, isang malaking fun run event para sa publiko ang kanilang paandar. Hindi lang daw kasi ito exclusive para sa kanilang gym members dahil bukas din ang event para sa magkakapamilya, running enthusiasts, private organization at maging sa first-time runners. Kaya para sa mga gustong mag-participate at makibahagi sa kanilang advocacy, may chance pang mag-register dahil nasa 2,000 runners ang target nila.
Actually, as of the moment, we have 1,000 registrants already because we're targeting around 1,500 to 2,000. And makikita mo, because it's for a cause, meron mga private organization, even church organization, pati yung mga kapulisan natin, not only here in Angeles, but even far away from Bulacan, Manila, Tarlac, family members of our members here, kasama.
May tatlong categories na pwedeng salihan, 3K, 5K at 10K. Lahat ng sasali ay makakatanggap ng race kit, singlet at medal. Para naman sa mga sasabak sa 10K, may kasama itong signature rotating medal at exclusive finisher shirt. Ayon naman kay Coach Lance Co, isa sa mga in-house and senior personal trainer ng SWAT Fitness, may malaking benepisyo sa kalusugan ang mga ganitong aktibidad dahil hindi kailangan maging athlete para makapagsimulang mag-exercise.
Actually, mahalaga siya kasi running is still part of exercise. Although hindi mo naman talaga i-run yung fun run, pwede mo siyang i-walk. Pero sobrang halaga niya kasi, yung iba kasi is wala silang time mag-gym or wala silang time gumawa ng ibang activities. Unlike yung fun run and walk, nagagawa na like 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, kahit saan.
May advice rin si Coach Lance para sa first-time participants, tulad ng paggamit ng run-walk method at paghahanda ng sarili, hindi lang physical, kundi pati sa mental aspect.
Since first-timer sa mga fun run, I advise na mag-training, mag-practice, like run for 1 minute and then walk for 2 minutes. And then syempre for mental, kailangan mo rin handa yung sarili mo. It's a fun run, so fun talaga siya. Huwag mong i-pressure yung sarili mo na baka hindi matapos yung distance kasi matatapos at matatapos mo siya. And then ang advice ko rin is get a friend na kasama mo mag-run.
Magsisimula ang assembly time ng 4 AM sa May 31 habang nakatakdang mauna ang gun start ng 10K category at 4:30 AM. Nasusundan naman ng 5K at 3K runs. Pagkatapos ng fun run, magkakaroon din ng Zumba party. Tampok ang special guest na si Mark Keras. Samantala, tiniyak naman ng organizers na magiging ligtas at maayos ang buong event dahil mayroong nakaantabay na medical teams, marshals, ambulansya, at hydration stations para sa mga kalahok.
My message to all who wants to experience something fun, especially this summer, regardless if you are a neophyte or you are into a competition or you're just someone who's looking for fun, we invite you to join Ready SWAT Go Fun Run for a Cause. So that's happening on May 31. It's a Sunday at 4 AM at the Clark Parade Grounds. So how do you register? You may register here, dito mismo sa site, sa SWAT Fitness Angeles Gym. So we're located along Poncete Avenue. We're just near McDonald's Friendship in Barangay Pampang. near Lala Garden in Angeles City, or you may register online, which makikita nyo dito sa link na to, and you may also visit our Smoke 10 Events Management booth sa Decathlon Clark every Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Fridays.
Raymond Tasoy, CLTV 36 News.